Hi guys, I'm Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to Glad. So I am here with a very happy news for all of you. तो आई थिंक आप लोग अगर हमें इंस्टाग्राम या फिर यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी पोस्ट पर भी देखा हो तो वी हैड इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑल ऑफ यू और रिलीज्ड फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू द MHCET 2024 रिजल्ट्स. तो अभी यहाँ पर देयर हैव बीन सर्टेन एडिशंस टू इट. So I thought कि मैं एक बार पर्सनली आके I would you could say thank and everybody for the support and the kind of love that you guys have given to 12 Minutes to Glad in such a short span of time. तो यहाँ पर मैं अनाउंस करूंगा बहुत क्विकली द MHCET रिजल्ट्स. आई विल ऑब्वियसली नॉट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ योर वेरी प्रेशियस टाइम हियर, बट आई वुड really like to thank you and also very importantly appreciate the effort of the entire team of 12 Minutes to Glad. It is not just me, but all the educators and everybody who's working in the back staff also. They work really hard to ensure that everything we do is kind of making sense. Things are done in time. Things are done really properly, which you could say makes some sense. And by bringing this kind of a result, everybody has proved us कि जो हमने मेहनत इसमें डाली थी over the last 6-7 months, that has finally turned into something extremely big, and I'm really happy about it. So firstly, let me quickly take you through those slides. तो आपने ये देखी भी होंगी है ना, where our topper is at 99.97 percentile. और यहाँ पर हमने जब रिलीज किया था, so we had released about 20 toppers के जो मतलब फोटोज वगैरह थे, एंड उसके बाद में हमको और पता चला that we have 7 other toppers who had 99 or more percentile. So there are about 27 people that we have gotten to know so far जिनका इतना परसेंटाइल आया. So I would first like to apologize to those 7 people कि हम लोग we could not reach out to them in the first instance because we had to do all of this in a day. But अब उन 7 लोगों को भी I really thank and really appreciate their performance as well. उसके अलावा we have a lot of people who got 98 percentile as well. So this is a list of people. Okay, 98 है. There are other people as well as 98. यहाँ मैंने जो ऊपर से जो मेजर निकालने थे that I have taken for you. So there are multiple people who have done extremely well because यहाँ पर एक बहुत simple सा मंत्र है ना. We are not doing unnecessary shenanigans कि हमें ये करना है वो करना है. Stick to the basics. एग्जाम वैसे ही क्लियर होता है. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपको मतलब मैंने कई बार सुना है कि कोई आपसे मूड कोड करवा रहा है कोचिंग के दौरान, कोई कुछ करवा रहा है. दैट्स जस्ट अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. दैट्स जस्ट यू कुड से कह सकते हो कि एक तरीका है आपके पैसे ऐंठने का. Right, so we here, obviously everybody knows it's an initiative which strives for excellence and will continue to do so. And this was, you could say, the first major result जिसको हम बोल सकते हैं. And this was MHCET 2024, जिसको हमने बहुत ही अच्छे से किया. We are definitely going to do the same for CLAT 2025. We're quite sure about it. The quality of student that we have, or we're going to get, you could say, in very near future as well. So thank you so much for hearing me out. You can always visit us. You can always visit us, in fact, at 12minutes2clad.com or download our apps and get the highest quality of education at the most affordable cost. Thank you so much, guys. Again, I'm really happy and thank you for your support and the kind of love that you guys have shown us. Thanks again.